Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, the 19th of May. Going to look at cable now. Cable has been under pressure, but it's engaged in a rally on a near-term basis. Now, the question is whether this rally is going to be seen as a chance to sell. What we see on cable is this downtrend, about 2.5 weeks worth of downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows consistently, where little rallies are being sold into. And what we've seen is the breakdown, the sharp breakdown that we saw at the back end of last week, which broke below 2160, I still think was a key moment in this chart. And the fact is that sort of reflects the fact that the market is now in corrective mode. And selling pressure, I think, is going to remain key here, because 2160 to 2265 basically houses all these lows from April into May, and that is overhead supply. So the fact that the market has rallied into that point and started to stall a little bit today, not hugely stall, but is starting to sort of encompass resistance, I think is important, because you've got this as basically this downtrend is still intact, and the market, I think, is going to still react with selling into strength on cable, because I think sterling is under pressure at the moment. I think the ongoing basis of concern about how the EU trade deal talks are going to be progressing, I think is a concern for sterling bulls, and I think it could well weigh on the outlook. So this little mini recovery that we've got would really need to get through 24 figure, probably even essentially 2470 area, that reaction high, before you could really be confident that this is a sustainable rally, because I think that this is still a pattern that suggests that sterling is falling over, certainly given the fact that momentum indicators have rolled over. RSI went underneath 40 recently for multi-week lows, stochastics multi-week lows bearishly configured. MACD lines have just sort of started to hover a little bit, given the fact that the market has turned up, but I think essentially this is still going to be seen as a bear market rally, or a rally that gets sold into in due course. But essentially we are still waiting for that next sell signal, and the market, I suppose, is still to react to Jerome Powell this afternoon, but I think set up for further weakness in due course, retesting that 2075 reaction low from yesterday and potentially beyond there. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and also you can watch our Trader Talks videos, where you can gain some top trading ideas.